What is up, Lexus fans? This is Andrew from Trailer Customs. Today we have a special video for you guys. We have the installation of a Lexus LX470 TRD Pro Grille. This Lexus LX470 Grille fits years 2003 to 2007 and is also available right now on our website. Also, shout out to Sam from Adventure Overland for helping make this installation video. I'll link his channel below. So let's jump right into a quick overview of the installation process. I really love how the grille came out on Sam's LX, and I can't wait to collaborate with him more in the future for different mods and upgrades. As a reminder, if you want to get a TRD Pro Grille for your Lexus or Toyota, check out the link in the description of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.